Hey, what's up guys? About 4 months ago, I talked about the importance of becoming a multi-sig signer on Safe because that could be an airdrop multiplier. We actually saw that with Optimism first airdrop. They went ahead to reward every multi-sig signer. Right now, it is more important that you become a multi-sig signer on Safe via the Zksync network because they have gone ahead to integrate the Zksync era network, and Zksync has gone ahead to make this announcement on the 12th of September 2023. This is a huge partnership. It is most likely that Zksync will go ahead to reward every multi-sig signer. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Also in this video, we're going to be talking about D.Fi. D.Fi has gone ahead to confirm their token and airdrop for early adopters. So if you're interested and you want to know exactly what you need to do, why not sit back while I show you step by step what you need to do to position for these mega upcoming airdrops. Let's go. Welcome back guys. Interacting on Safe could make you eligible for 2 airdrops. 1, the Safe airdrop, and 2, the Zksync airdrop, because Safe has gone ahead to raise about $100 million. Even though they have done their first airdrop, I believe there will definitely be a second one. So you making this interaction is a no-brainer. In fact, it's a win-win situation. Okay, what we're going to do first of all is to head straight to this application. I'm going to be leaving other links in the description, and once you're here, you need to agree with them by accepting all and you'll be in. Then the next thing we have to do is to select the network we are going to be interacting with on Safe. Okay, we do that by heading to this place and you see all the available networks, and right now there is Zksync era mainnet, which is the main reason we came to do this. Okay, so just click on it and also go ahead to connect your wallet. Of course, without that there is no way you're going to interact. So MetaMask, and if you're not on the Zksync network in your MetaMask, you can always switch over. Okay, because we don't have an account on Zksync, we have to create one. Then I have to click on create new account. You do the same if you don't have any. Now the next thing we have to do is to give our account a name. For me, I will call it first era, and we click on next. Then again, you need to give your account an owner's name. You have the option to add 3 owners' name, but first let's go ahead and give the first name, which again I will go for first era. Now for us to add new owner, we need to create another wallet from our MetaMask. So you head to your MetaMask wallet, then click on account. You're going to see add account. I'll click on add account, and you can give this account any name of your choice. I'll call this account first one. Then I'll click on create. The account has been created successfully. We need to create another one by hitting this and then going for add account. Then I'll call it first account 2 and I'll click on create. Okay, so now we have just created 2 different accounts. You can see them here, first one, first 2. This is our original account. All right, now we can go ahead and add these 2 accounts as owners. How do you do that? You just copy out this account and then go ahead to click on add new owner, paste in your new address and give it a name. Again, first one. Then click on add new owner once more, go back to your wallet and copy out the second account which you created, which is this one. Go ahead and copy it, then come back right here and paste in the same wallet address you have just copied and give it a name again, first 2. All right, I've been able to add 2 new owners to my Safe account. Now scroll down and you will see the threshold. What this means is that if you want to make a transaction, every account you add in your threshold are going to be making that transaction with you. So they all need to confirm before a transaction can go through. If you're cool with this idea, you can go ahead to add your threshold. But for now, I'm just going to leave it and we go ahead to click on next. To create this account successfully, you're going to be paying a fee. This is like 50 cents to $1. Unlike when I created a Safe account on Ethereum, I paid almost $30 to create that account. I'll click on next. Your MetaMask, of course, is going to pop up for you to confirm this transaction. So I'll confirm it. Transaction is being executed. We wait for this to go through. Your safe account was successfully created. Okay, the next thing is to start using Safe Wallet. Click on this. So here's a welcome message. You can go through it if you want, or you just go to got it. And now we need to start making real interactions. We have created our Safe Wallet, which is what you can see right here. This is on Zksync. You can also see it right here. You can copy it from here, or you can decide to copy it from here. The next thing we're going to do is to fund our Safe account. I'll be copying from here, and make sure you don't copy this other one you can see here, which is Zksync. Now head straight to your MetaMask wallet and make a transfer. Yes, I have just received about $2.13 in my Safe account, and that is how you transfer funds from your MetaMask into your Safe account. You can also transfer NFTs if you want to do just that. It is the same method. Okay, so here is the token we have just received. If you want to send this token back to your MetaMask, you can easily do that. Just hit the send button right here, go back to your MetaMask and copy out your wallet address, enter it right here, put in the amount you want to send back to your MetaMask, then hit the next button and confirming your MetaMask. You will receive your funds back into your MetaMask. In fact, I will advise that you make one transaction back into your MetaMask. Okay, the next thing we want to do right now is to make transaction inside the Safe wallet or Safe application. Now have this at the back of your mind. For this account to become eligible for any airdrop multiplier from Zksync or any other project, you need to make at least a minimum of 10 transactions. Yes, and these transactions are not supposed to be expensive. You can make 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, as the case may be, but make sure that you have made at least 10 transactions over time. Don't make these transactions at a go. Try to make them in interval of 2 days, 3 days, or 1 day, as the case may be. All right, let's go ahead and make a transaction. Now copy any of the new wallets you have just created. I'll simply go to settings. Here I'm going to see the new wallets I've created and added, so I can easily copy from here. After copying, you go straight to new transaction and you will see send tokens, send NFTs. We're not looking at those ones. We're going straight to contract interaction. This is one of the things that will be making you eligible as well, because you're interacting with the contract. Okay, and it says transaction builder. Click on this and go ahead to continue. We are here to interact with the contract. So paste in the wallet address you just copied, and it is going to recognize it with the Zksync symbol that is right here. It doesn't really matter in this case. So now enter any amount of your choice. I'll be going for 0.00001. It doesn't matter. It's just to make an interaction. Then click on add transaction. It says create badge. What this means is that you can add multiple wallets and send a transaction at a go. But for me, I don't really like to do it that way, because I want my transaction number to increase. If I send a transaction to so many wallets at the same time, it is going to read as one transaction. I want to have 5 transactions when I send funds to 5 different wallets. Okay, so I'll click on create badge and send badge. Then scroll down, you will see execute, and this is the estimated fee we're going to be paying for this transaction. So hit the execute button, and that is it. We're going to be paying a total of 29 cents for this transaction. Hit the confirm button. Transaction is successfully validated, so wait for it to process successfully. Our transaction was successful, so hit the finish button. Now go to settings again and copy out the next wallet address, which is the second one. Click on copy and head straight to new transaction once more. Hit the transaction builder and go ahead to paste in your wallet address right here. Okay, that is it. Wait for it to be dictated and go ahead to make another transaction. Enter any amount of your choice. I'll go for this time around. Then hit add transaction and again create badge and send badge. Okay, this is the steps you're going to be taking to make a transaction inside your Safe wallet. Scroll down once again and hit the execute button. This time we're paying 27 cents for everything. Hit confirm. Transaction was successful. Yes, people, we have just made 2 transactions in our Safe wallet. Go back to the home. Let's check our transaction count. So hit the transactions button right here. You will see that we have 2 transactions. Aside the fact that we received token from our MetaMask wallet, we have sent out tokens twice from our Safe wallet. And guys, these tokens you sent out are actually in your MetaMask wallet. So if you go back to our MetaMask wallet, then hit the account and check the other wallets you have created. Look at the first one, we have 16 cents here, and the second one we also have 16 cents. This is how to interact via the Zksync network on Safe wallet. Now let's go ahead and see what we need to do for D.Fi in order to become eligible. D.Fi is seriously getting traction. It means that what they're offering to the crypto space is actually needed. Now they have incredible investors. Yes, these are all their investors. So this is one project that you also should not joke with. Okay, they also have angels investors. All these guys right here are their angels, and they have invested in this project. And they also have exchanges investors like Hobby, OKS, MESC, and the rest of them. Now they have key opinion leaders investors, and these are the various guys. I know this very guy, that Martini guy, and I also know the Moon Kai. So this project looks like one that will be making a lot of impact in the crypto space. I told you at the beginning of this video that they have confirmed their token and their airdrop. When we take a look at their white paper, you will see all of this right there. Here's the tokenomics and governance, the DeFi token. So DeFi is an ERC20 token with fixed Twitter supply that is planned to be limited to 1 billion tokens. The token distribution is designed to be multi-chain. DeFi will be present on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche chain. So these are the various chains where this token is going to be launching: Ethereum mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche. Okay, when do they plan to launch this token? According to them, the DeFi token launch is expected for 2023, which of course should be 4th quarter of 2023. So guys, if you're not already using D.Fi, this is the right time for you to key in. Do not waste any more time. If you do, you are likely to miss out on this airdrop. How do they plan to distribute this token exactly? Let's check again in their white paper. Everything has been outlined right here. Token distribution. The total supply of DeFi is going to be distributed for 1. Project treasury reserve 12%, seed round 10%, strategic investors 8%, community. Now community here also means airdrop. As long as you're part of the community, you'll be getting a share of this 15%. Development reserve /team 15%, community and development grants 7%, incentives for liquidity providers 20%. This is the one you shouldn't miss at all. Early adopters / supporters will be getting 3%. How do you become an early adopter? That is why I'm making this video, to show you how to become an early adopter. Because if you're an early adopter, you're going to be getting a share of the 3% and also a share of the 15% from the community. Hope this is making a lot of sense to you. Make sure you become an early adopter today. Let's get into the steps right away. This is my D.Fi account. As you can see right here, I'm already an early adopter. Look at that, early adopter. I hope you can see it very well. And it says mint your D.Fi ID, and this is coming very soon. Only early adopters will be able to mint this for free. If you're not an early adopter, you will definitely be paying to mint this. This is just like the bank, but this application, in my opinion, does much more than what the bank is doing, because with this application you can detect a scam project and it can also show you if your wallet is at risk. Okay, before you actually gain access, you need someone to invite you, and I'm going to be leaving the links in the description or codes with which you can be invited. Now, where do you get these codes from? Initially, for you to get a code, you needed to chat their admins from this application or from their Telegram group. But right now, what they're doing is everyone that already has access can actually receive a number of codes or invitation link to send out and get their own people registered or invited into the D.Fi. Where do you get this link from? You head straight to the referral dashboard. Hope you can see it. Click on it, and here you're going to see your referral link. Look at what it says: invite friends via referral link. So I have this link right here, and this link is just for 2 persons. So I have 2 invite link left. It means that 2 people can actually use this link right now. But not to worry, I'll get more links and drop in the description of this video for you. If you already have a D.Fi account and you have links, kindly put it out there on this video so that people can actually use your link to join right away. By the time your invites have joined, you will see all of them in the invited friends list. Next is to follow each other on this application. It is very important that you have followers and you are also following others. Okay, I'm going to drop my link in the description. Go ahead and follow me and I'll follow you back right away. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to start exploring the features on this application. Now you can check out the crypto market right here. If you want to do that, everything has been included in this application. You can exploit them and use it to better your crypto experience. Okay, another thing is you can explore the yields. Here are the stablecoin yields and the other yields as well. It means you can actually stake and earn some rewards if you want to do that. The next one is NFT, but the NFT page is still under update. So let's check out more by clicking on show more. We have the wallet. This is your own very wallet. You will see your total balance and all the networks where you have one token or the other. It displays it all for you, so you don't need to crack your head to find out where you have funds and where you don't have funds. The next thing is to check out where you have made one deposit or the other. Sometimes it is difficult to know where you have made one deposit or the other. So with this, you can actually keep a track of your deposit. Also, lending, if you have made some lendings, you can also see it right here. So I have none, and that is fine. The next thing is to use the transaction tools. If you want to send tokens, you click on it and you go ahead to connect your wallet before you'll be able to do just that. Look at that. You can enter your recipient address or domain name or identity and go ahead to enter the balance, then click on send and you confirm this in your wallet. Another thing is that you can make a swap in this application. Inside of this application, there is a swap feature. The same way you send tokens, you can actually swap your tokens from one token to another, and that is very important. Make sure you use the swap feature. Hope you're following this carefully. Another thing is to use their save feature, which has to do with you finding out the health rate of your wallet. So when I click on shield, this feature will help you to find out if your wallet is at high risk or low risk. And my wallet right now is at low risk. If your wallet is at high risk, you will see the number of contracts right here and your funds that are actually at risk. If your wallet is at high risk, you need to go ahead and revoke those transactions. You will see everything right here and you go ahead to revoke it as well. And another thing is there is an advanced mode. If you click on this, you will see more contracts that has put your wallet at risk. Right now there is about 63 of them and my funds that is at risk is around $50. Another thing is make sure you have turned on all the networks right here, otherwise you will not see your funds. Okay, all of them has been turned on automatically, and do not turn off these networks if you want to see your funds. Then the next one is to use the scanner. The scanner helps you to scan a contract address. For example, there is this contract of a particular token. You are not so sure if it's a legit contract or not. You can come here and scan that particular wallet address or token name or NFT address, whatever it is, just put it in right here and you go ahead to scan it. Now look at the statistics they have already. About 1.5 contracts has been scanned, 30 million plus has issues, 550k plus has been detected as a risk token, and about $77 billion has been exploited in the crypto space. This is very, very ridiculous. So make sure that you scan that address before you go ahead to interact. This is a very useful tool and I am loving it already. So these are the various features they have right now. If you think I missed anything, kindly let me know in the comment section. And by taking all those steps, we're definitely in for a happy time by the time this token goes live. And finally, before we go, this is actually a bonus. Have you heard about Nomics Score? Yes, this is another project that is going to help you for Layer 0 airdrop. Layer 0 actually spoke highly of them after they integrated the Layer 0 into their project. And this is what my score looks like right now. I've not been interacting for some days and my score has reduced. Initially, I had almost 90 as my score, but because I've not interacted for the past few days, now it has reduced to 84. This is your wallet pulse. That is your on-chain activity. It tells you if you're a trader or a beginner. It highlights everything you have done on your wallet so far. It may not be 100% accurate, but at least it is up to 80 to 90% accurate. And like I said, Layer 0 has spoken highly of them. So make sure you have a Nomics score and go ahead to mint that score. It is going to cost you around $8 to $9 to mint the score for yourself. And after you have minted the score, make sure you go straight to their Discord and claim your OG role or an early user role, which of course Nomics is going to use for their own airdrop as well. And you're going to get your ONFT from Nomics. This is the ONFT. It proves that you have minted your score, and you can see that there is a sign of airdrop on it. So take this very seriously. I'll be leaving my link in the description. Use it to mint your Nomics score. You can always update this score at any time. I think you'll be paying around 12 cents to 15 cents to update this score. They also have a score for Zksync and for multi-chain. All the links are going to be in the description. Go ahead and mint your scores. That will definitely pay off anytime soon. You can become an ambassador if you want. Just at the top right hand, you will see join ambassadors. So you can click on this. Go ahead to sign up to become one of their ambassadors. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll definitely see you in my next one. And don't forget, we are going to make it. Bye.